And here we are, taking up the complete parking area outside of the shrine to when Che Guevara blew up this train, which was full of weapons. Gave him a heck of an arsenal in one fell swoop. He used that Caterpillar bulldozer over there to tear up the tracks and stop the train. Pretty cool. Where we are in this fine morning is Santa Clara, Cuba. It says so right on that building. That's how I know. Santa Clara. Right under the 335 Santa Clara. Isn't that interesting? This is the monument to Che Guevara. Apparently, I don't know. Maybe I'm messing up the whole thing. But if you look at this building, never mind, I'm in the wrong place. I'll be back. This is a monument to Che Guevara, who the Cubans considered to be a hero and a martyr. Beautiful, beautiful church. Here we are at the Sol Palmeras Resort, checking in. This is the lobby. You see outside, absolutely beautiful. And looking back down this way, the hallway, lounge, and I don't know what all. Look at all that. Isn't that something? It's a big place. We're going from posh to posh to posh to posh to posh to posh to posh. We're eating our way through Cuba, sleeping in the posh place.
I love that they get excited about the motorcycles and want to take a picture, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
In most parts of the world, they couldn't care less now. They probably look at you like, oh, you're polluting the environment. You should be in an electric scooter.
Yeah. And one of the things I've noticed too is a lot of the time they don't look at us. They're looking at the motorcycle.
Yeah,
I think it's wonderful.
The girls actually smile and wave at you. It's like, we don't look like a threatening enemy to them.
Yeah.
They're really pleased to see you.
Yeah, I love it when the little ones
Oh, I love that.
so sweet.
Let's open up their other.
Yeah. It's so sweet putting all the children on the bikes. That one day he had 4 or 5 of them lined up. So that one little kid, he wasn't going to get on. He ran away.
he beat feet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're going to have a lot of editing to do.
I
You get home.
Ta-da! Whatever da-ta-da is.
Videos are the modern equivalent of the slideshow. Come on over for dinner. Oh, now I'm going to show you my slides from my trip.